Hi guys, ayan, so we're going to open our item. This is actually for Jacob. Socks to guys kasi naputput na yung socks niya. And hopefully worth it, okay? Mura lang naman siya, 115 ata yun. Ayan. So eto guys, o diba, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 5 pairs guys. Meron na siyang socks na 5 pairs. This is only for 115 ata yun or 150. I'm not sure. Yan guys, kasi pud-pud na yung medyas niya. So, ito yung gagamitin niya. So, thank you guys for watching. Ayan, I'm making more videos, of course, para sa aking reels and sa YouTube. Ayan, that's why everything is, ang tawag dito, binibidyo ko. But not all. Okay, ayan. So, this is another pair. I actually bought two. Ayan. I bought 2 set kasi mas mura siya. 150 ata to guys. So, I bought it for 300 pesos. Ayan. So, meron na siyang 10 pairs. O, diba? Para hindi na mahirapan si Jacob magmedyas ng. Meron kasi guys akong binili na it's so taas. High cut siya. Pero, naglulus agad. Dito mostly ang problem ko guys. Naglulus siya agad. Hopefully ito guys hindi. Ayan. So this is cotton. Ayan. So maganda siya. This is for 6 to 8 years old. Ayan. So thank you. I bought it actually this one sa Temu. Ayan. So ayan guys. Alright. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Ayan. Also reels. You can follow me also on YouTube. That's Jomari Jacob's Mama. Ayan. Check that guys. So thank you guys for watching our videos. And hope you will follow for more. Bye!